Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, where you can find some of the coolest custom builds of anywhere in the country. Just like this one behind me, we're going to cover this LMX4 package for our Ford Expedition for this year. It's a great look, something we just kind of thought we needed to do to an Expedition. And so we're going to cover in this video how we base the vehicle or stock units from the factory, like what we what we decide to put the package on, how we build them from the factory before we put the package on, and then we're going to cover all the components as part of this package as well. So I think you're going to like this video and some of our other videos. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed over to the channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you can get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. Don't forget about our free shipping. We'll talk more about that at the end of the video. There's a timestamp down below too. If you anytime you want to, hey, this is something I'm interested in, you want to get more information about it, hit that timestamp and it'll take you right to that section of the video. So we're going to dive right in. First, again, we're going to talk about the factory equipment, how we base it from the factory, what we decided to put this on and why we decided to go with that package or the different factory equipment, and then we'll dive into the components as part of the LMX4 package. So for 2021, the Expedition, they included a new package for this year. Something wasn't available in the past years, and that's what really triggered our thought into adding this LMX4 package to it. Once we saw this available, we thought this is perfect for our package. Now, in last year, the XL trim, and even for this year, was only available to fleet customers, business owners, and that kind of thing. And you had to go up to the XLT for a retail customer if you wanted to get the lowest priced Expedition out there. But for this year, they added the STX appearance package to the XL trim and have made it available to the retail customer. So this is a great fit for us. So we talk about this package because it's not really that base. It's based off the XL, but there's a lot of equipment here that's standard that you wouldn't think about on the Expedition, and makes it very well equipped. Now, one of the things to think about on this STX appearance package, it is for those people that don't need that third row seat, because there's not a third row seat in the STX appearance package or STX trim. But it's going to have 2 rows of seats. So like for me, we have our third row seat folded down all the time. Very rarely do we fold it up, but we do have a bigger family, but most of the kids are grown and have moved out. It's a great vehicle for us, to really think about if you're okay with some of the other equipment. So we're going to talk about this. Now, I do have a full walk around video on the STX appearance package, and the STX trim is what we're calling here at McArthur. So you can check that video out. I'm going to have it down in the description if you want to check that video link out there. Also, at the end of this video, I'll have a little end scene, a little card there. You just click on that and it'll take you to that video, and you can see the full breakdown of all the standard equipment as well as different optional equipment you can get on this STX trim here. But let's cover just some of the basics here that I think are very impactful. The first thing one of the things that I want to talk about is that on the STX appearance package at STX trim, you're going to get the whole suite of the Copilot 360 features. So you're going to get that pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. You're going to get the auto high beams, you're going to get the rear view camera, you're even going to get lane keeping, and you're going to get the bliss with cross traffic alert. So you're going to get the whole suite of that, which I think is a great deal, because I have an F-150, a 2020 F-150 XLT 302A equipment group, and do not have bliss or lane keeping system. So to me, this is a big deal. I think it's great that it's going to be standard equipment on the STX trim. The other thing you're going to notice on it is the great look that you get with this. So look at the front grille up there. So up there on the front, that grille is almost the exact same grille you see on the Stealth Edition package you get on the XLT, or maybe it's even a limited trim. Great looking. It's not a molded in black. It is a high gloss black finish grille with the chrome, the very top and bottom bars being chrome. Great look to the front, gives it a nice appearance. Also, you're going to see the black accent on the front fascia there, right there where the tag is. That's also a high gloss black finish. And the lower skid plate down there is going to be the gray, just like we're going to show you on the back as well. Great look there. Also does give you fog lights as standard equipment as well on these. So that's a great feature there. Low and high beam halogens as well there, giving you the auto high beam feature. Over here on the side, you're going to see black mirror cap as well. That is a high gloss finish there. So there's not that molded in black. It is a high gloss black finish to the mirrors. Power heated mirrors. Also going to have the security approach lamp that's going to light up the ground beside the vehicle. Speaking of that, you're going to have the black running boards, the platform running boards over here on the side. Body colored door handles. I think that's kind of a big deal. They're not molded in black like you see on some base trims on some other SUVs. They're molded in, or they're the body color door handles. Chrome accent that wraps around as well, gives it a nice look here on the side of the vehicle. Black roof rack side rails, privacy glass in these back windows as well as the back glass, nice STX badging over here on the side of it, and then even on the back I mentioned the rear view camera, and that I already kind of mentioned the gray lower skid plate down there, but you also have the chrome accent applique on the rear of the tailgate. So great look to the vehicle, just looks great. But on the inside as well, you're going to get some great features like the upgraded, you're going to get the Sync 3 system as standard equipment with the 8-inch touchscreen. So that's going to be standard with your Bluetooth connectivities. You're going to be able to make and receive phone calls. You can even use the Ford Pass Connect to remote start your vehicle from anywhere, schedule remote start times, and even unlock and lock your vehicle using the Ford Pass app. Driver's going to get not only leather wrapped steering wheel, but also power driver seat in this vehicle, and of course full power windows locks as you'd expect in there. Typically will come with cloth seats, but we'll show you how we're going to upgrade that here in just a little bit. Now, one of the reasons that we go ahead and we add this package to the STX trim, for one, is it's very well equipped, but also we're trying to keep the cost down because we're trying to deliver these great aftermarket or off-road appearance packages and performance kind of packages for your vehicles, but not, you don't have to go above and beyond like you do with like maybe an SCA or a Rocky Ridge or something like that, or even a Roush, to get a nice looking vehicle, a nice performing vehicle. You can still do it, so we base it off the as lower trim as we can. A lot of times, sometimes on our trucks, we'll go on the XL with the STX appearance package and add the package on there, or go with a very base XLT. That's why we went with this package here. Now, the first thing we did after, of course, we got this from the factory, is we wanted a front suspension lift on the front. So one of the things that we like to do on these packages is we like to lift them up. That 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, the standard equipment on this, it's heavy. It does give you kind of a forward lean, looks like a lean there, so we like to level that out. So you're going to have a 2-inch front suspension lift up there to kind of level it out, give us a little bit of space as well for some nice wheels and tires. So you're going to see a 20-inch black Rhino wheels is what we did with this one. Now, if you want a different style of black wheel, we can do that for you as well. Just let us know. We can make a custom build for you. Also, we wrap that in the BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires, 34-inch tire. I think that's the same tire I have on my truck, and I really love the tires. What's great about it is when you're on the highway, you're driving around the city, they're not really loud and noisy. You don't have some of that like you do with a mud terrain tire or anything like that, but you still have some pretty good performance off-road when you want to go off-road in the vehicle. So it's a great combination here. We also do a 4-wheel alignment once we put in the suspension lift and the wheels and tires. We'll align that as well and get it going perfect for you there as well. So we also put front window tint on this to kind of wrap it so that way you kind of have the privacy glass as well as the front window tint on these vehicles. But what's really cool is what we do on the interior as well. So we upgrade those seats to these custom leather seats. You're going to see they're diamond stitched black leather seats. Beautiful. I love this. I have similar seats, different color of interior trim, but the same seats in my F-150. Love how they feel. They're very durable. It upgrades it. I will tell you, to get this type of leather seat from the factory, you're going to have to go up to a limited to be able to get that type of leather seat, and maybe even better, because I really feel like these leather seats are very durable. They're very comfortable leather seat. Of course, we do it not only in the front seat, but those seats in the back are going to have the same custom leather seat. So real nice upgrade to that. So that's another great thing that we put included in this package. And then of course, everything that we added is going to be covered with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty as well. So it's going to match your factory warranty. So we love this package. I think it really gives it a great look, great performance if you want to be able to take this off-road as well and not have to go too expensive and outrageous of a price. So it's a great package if you're interested in this. I think you'll really love it. So where can you find these builds? We can find them right on our website, LonMcArthur.com. When you go to there, you want to click on that black Lon McArthur Performance logo at the top of the page. When you click on that, you're going to see all the different custom builds that we can do, as well as all of our inventory for all of our aftermarket vehicles that are in stock. Click on that. If you notice that Expedition section there, click on that LMX4 Expedition there, and that'll take you to a dedicated page that I curated just for information about the Expedition LMX4, as well as our inventory down at the bottom down there. And you'll notice the price will be listed there for this package, so that we have a good idea if maybe you want to put this on a different vehicle, or maybe you want to add some of those optional equipment that I mentioned in the video on that you can check out. Then you can go ahead and do that, and that way you can see what the difference is going to be just adding this package to that. Again, reach out to us, because if you want a different wheel, maybe you want a different tire, something like that, we can customize it just for you. Maybe you don't want the leather seats inside, that kind of thing. We can make it even less expensive if you just want the suspension, wheels, and tires as well, and we can get you a price on that. Again, we can customize this for your liking, however you want to do it, whether it be the configuration of the vehicle from the factory, or even some of the things that we add to this. Hey, I want that package except for this, or I'd like this package and then also I'd like this too. We can do that for you as well. We can customize it to your liking with our Long McArthur Performance department there. So again, don't forget, you can reach out to us, you can call or send us a text message. Numbers are on the screen there. Get information there, and don't forget, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed over to the channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to your YouTube channel. Don't forget to smash the like button. Oh, and I almost forgot about our free shipping policy. So if you want to get this vehicle or any one of our other vehicles, we will ship it to you for free. It's a YouTube special, just so you want to, when you call us, say, hey, I saw that special on YouTube where I can get free shipping. And the way that works is we do ask you to finance a vehicle with us. So if you plan on financing a vehicle anyway, like I do on about all of my vehicles, then you can go ahead and we'll get the free shipping for you. So the lender's giving us enough kickback, profit from the back end profit of that finance deal to be able to ship it to you for free. And that's usually how we do that. We're very transparent about it, but it's not a cost that's incurred onto you. Because if you finance from about any dealership, they're going to usually keep that back end profit is what they call it, whereas we're using it to go do the free shipping, deliver it right to your door. So a lot of people like to take advantage of that. They love getting from a dealership that knows their products, is excited about the Ford products and performance vehicles, and they want it delivered right to their door. So you take advantage of that. Give us a call, send us a text message as we mentioned below. So again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, you can find us on social media. We're at Long McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And until the next video, we'll see you later. Have a great day.